this video, I will show you how to enable birthday notification on Facebook. Firstly, when you open up your Facebook application, you need to tap on the three dots on your right upper side. Then simply need to scroll down and go for settings and privacy and choosing the first selection, which is settings. Right after you get there, if you want to take over and don't waste any time yet, simply what you're going to do, on your right upper side, you're going to tap on that search box selection, and then there you're going to type for birthday, and or simply it will shows up profile information. Just go on that side. From here, as I said right before, you can take over and as you know, right here on basic info, you need to check your birthday selection, which needs to be correct. Then when you take over that side, you're going to get back and you're going to go again on your settings selection right here. Then go on preferences, go notifications on the third selection, and just scroll down and go for birthdays. And you need to make sure that allowing notifications on Facebook description setup, it is turned on. Also email if you want to take over by getting that birthday setup, it is so important.